Ever wondered why yoga feels like so much more than just a workout? Why, after a class, your body feels light, your breath is calm, and your mind is a little quieter? That's because yoga was never meant to be only physical. The postures are just one small part of a complete system. A system designed to purify the mind and to recognize who we really are. In this course, Yoga Philosophy for Beginners, we'll explore what's beyond the mat, and you'll learn about the 5 points of yoga, a simple guide to health and harmony. We'll also go through the 4 paths of yoga, different approaches to practice, and see how physical and spiritual practices go together. You'll discover the yamas and niyamas, the ethical foundations of yoga that guide how we think, speak, and act. And we'll talk about the 3 gunas, the natural qualities that shape everything in the universe. You'll also be introduced to Advaita Vedanta philosophy, the heart of yogic wisdom that asks the biggest question of all: who am I? And we'll also touch on concepts like prana, chakras, nadi channels, and the sound of Om as ways to understand energy, attention, and vibration from both traditional and practical perspectives. You don't need to know Sanskrit, and you don't need to be advanced in your practice for this course. This course is made simple, clear, and practical, so you can understand yoga not just as movement, but as a complete way to live with awareness, balance, and peace.